Unlock 10x productivity in 2026 with this Claude AI hack no one's talking about. Imagine you're stuck on a project, and every task takes twice as long as it should. Now imagine a tool that can help you work faster, smarter, faster than ever before. That's the promise of Claude AI, but here's the truth, most people aren't using even 10% of its power. Most users are barely scratching the surface. They treat Claude like a search engine, restarting conversations instead of building on previous context. Think about it, what if you could save time by continuing a conversation with Claude instead of starting over each time? The productivity gains advertised often don't match reality. While vendors claim 55% improvements, real-world studies show AI coding assistants deliver only 10 to 30% gains on routine tasks. One controlled study even showed a 19% slowdown on complex work. Claude Code has taken the developer world by storm. Despite GitHub's head start, Claude Code achieved a 46% most loved rating among developers in early 2026. This means you have an opportunity to use it not just as a tool but as part of your team. Look at Anthropic's revenue growth. The company exploded from $1 billion annualized revenue at the end of 2024 to $14 billion by February 2026, with enterprise customers spending over $100,000 annually, growing approximately 7 times year over year. This shows that using Claude effectively can lead to significant financial gains. Another surprising fact is that more experienced users collaborate more with Claude, not less. Advanced users tend to iterate conversationally on complex tasks rather than relying purely on automation. This suggests that expertise doesn't mean delegating more work but working smarter together. So here's the question, are you ready to unlock your true productivity potential in 2026? Try vidIQ for free, grow your channel faster and discover new ways to use Claude AI effectively. Subscribe now, and I'll share more secrets on how to make Claude a powerhouse in your work. The future of productivity is here, don't miss out. The future is now, so let's make it count. Automation alone won't revolutionize your workflow unless you integrate human expertise. Think about it, machines excel at tasks, but humans innovate and adapt. Are you closing this gap? Claude can draft scripts in seconds, freeing up time for creative content. But what if you could train Claude to align with your unique voice and style? Consider how that could boost engagement. Many creators struggle with content ideas, but Claude's vast knowledge can spark creativity. Yet, blending human insights ensures authenticity. How are you balancing these elements? Imagine analyzing audience data instantly, Claude does this effortlessly. But consider the emotional impact of personalized videos. Are you leveraging both AI and human touch points? Incorporating feedback loops is crucial. How often do you tweak your content based on viewer reactions? Claude can provide insights, but humans refine the message. Final thought, the key to success lies in collaboration between Claude and you. Are you ready to harness this synergy for unparalleled results? Sign up now and join the next wave of creators who are already thriving with vidIQ and Claude.